Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Shomu's Biology. I feel really energetic today. So what we want to discuss here is mistakes. Nobody talks about mistakes, I feel like every single person, they are always talking about success. Wherever you see success. And it's a belief of success and the pseudo belief of success system that makes us inferior, feels us inferior. Like when you see other people succeed, it really hurts you, right? It's a human nature. There's no big deal about it. It's a human nature. It's fine. Biologically speaking, it's a human nature. But failure is the most important thing in your life. The most important teacher in your life. Failure will teach you the harsh reality of life and situations in your life. So failure is very, very important. We are going to talk about top 3 mistakes that people do in CSIR NET examination. Top 3 mistakes for which they fail to qualify CSIR NET examination. If you are doing the same 3 mistakes, you'll never qualify the NET examination, no matter how much you try. Probably you have tried several times to qualify CSIR NET examination. Every single time you appear in the examination, your percentile score in the same range. 92 percentile, 94 percentile, 95 percentile. And think like, I'm getting 95 percentile, so it's only 98.9 percentile. It's only 5 percentile difference. Actually, there's a difference of 20,000 people in between. Yes, percentile value is misleading. That's why it's misleading. 92 percentile means you're nowhere near. Believe me. What you need to do is very close. If you are 98 percentile holder, then you are near your goal. Okay, that is your target as a general category students. So what are the top 3 mistakes? We can define insanity by doing same work again and again and expecting different outcomes. That's called insanity. And that's what most of us do during any kind of examination, including CSIR NET examination. You are doing the same thing again and again. You are appearing in the same examination, you're reading the same way. You are reading the same topics from same places, doing the same things again and again, and you're expecting better results. That is insanity. Don't be insane. Follow these 3 tips and avoid them. First is lack of focus and no regularity. Most difficult part with Generation Z here is this particular idea. Lack of focus and no regularity in your study. No regularity anywhere. You are focused on today's life only. From millennials already, we are millennials. So from millennials onwards, this process started, this problem started. Lack of focus, and they are always confused, and they are always like no regularity in there, no perseverance in their study. Regularity is the most important thing. It's a key important thing. Why? Because every single day if you study for 2 hours, that builds a habit. And habit can make a person rich, can make a person successful. Habit will make a person poor. Okay? This is the truth. There is no other thing regarding habits. You need to build good habits. Okay? So lack of focus is a big problem for you. You need to be focused in your study. And the most important, how to build good focus in your study? Avoid social media, avoid contact with most other people, avoid looking into other people's life, because when you look into other people's life through social media, you'll believe that everybody is happier than you. That will make you feel inferior. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's going to only hurt you. So what you need to do, you need to focus on yourself. What you have done earlier. You tried solving 5 questions yesterday. You only solved 1 out of 5. Now your goal today will be to solve more than 1 correct question out of the 5. That should be your competition should be with yourself. So that is very important. Regularity is very important. You know how much we are regular. I'm making videos since last 10 years in this YouTube channel regularly. Still at this age, I'll be making this. I'm pushing this forward so that this process continues. Regularity is the key to success, to stay in the field. You cannot stay in YouTube more than 5 years based on the YouTube's algorithm and policies. But I'm going against that with my regularity. You need to follow the regularity. Second thing that you need to avoid is negative marking. What is negative marking? Negative marking will be a biggest drawback for you again. Because in negative marking will be setting you back. Particularly in part C. Even though you apply for, let's say you answered 150 marks question. 80 is negative marking. You'll get only 70 marks in your hand. And this is not even close. Even if all are correct among 70, you'll get only 70. Even answering 150 marks question, you'll end up in 70 or 80. That's what happened. Most of the people end up in 70 or 80, that range. With normal preparation scheme, they range bound between 70 and 80 marks. Because they have maximum negative marking. You need to get rid of negative marking. The only way to get rid of negative marking is a proper practice. Practice MCQ question every single day. Practicing MCQ question every single day at your preparation and the end, revision stage. This is the last month, the time for revision, the time for MCQ solving. That's where you build the negative marking degradation. Next comes unrealistic expectations. There are many students, they come in. If you can see this easily in YouTube. If you try to search how to crack, and you'll get how to crack CSIR NET, and you'll see the autofill comes as in 1 month, in 2 months, like this. Because people are searching for that. The whole year they are doing nothing. Then suddenly in 1 month before, now this is the time for net. अभी पढ़ना है तो 1 महीने के लिए कैसे कैसे पढ़ना है. अब बहुत सारे चैनल मिल जाएगा. बोले एक महीने में ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे क्या मिल जाएगा. भाई होता नहीं है. किसी का बस की बात नहीं. देखो, हो सकता है आप 1 महीने पढ़ सकते हो नेट के लिए. कोई बंदा 1 साल तक पढ़ रहा है, तो किसको एडवांटेज मिलेगा? जो 1 साल पढ़ रहा है, ये 1 महीना पढ़ रहा है. ये बता दो. You always see the comparative advantage, right? आप अगर if you want to win a race and you only practice 7 days and somebody is practicing for 7 years, who will have more advantage? There is no second thought of experience. Experience का जो weightage है सबसे ज़्यादा होता है. Experience has maximum weightage. Without experience doesn't matter. ये जो face है ना CSIR NET के लिए, that is a trust value. Still, I believe that there are still many students who believe that this is the trust value. That's why, I was giving less videos. I'm making less videos for CSIR NET. But this time, I've seen so many channels come in. They are making fool of students, making wrong videos, spreading wrong informations. So I need to do this. I need to cut my time off and need to do and make these videos to make you aware. From my personal experience of this 10 years teaching online for CSIR NET Life Sciences. What is reality? What is just pure bullshit? So what you need to do? You need to be realistic. If you can devote 2 hours a day, you need to be realistic regarding the time frame. 2 घंटा दिन में देना है तो 1 साल से ऊपर लगेगा. 6 घंटा दिन में दे सकते हो तो 6 महीने में हो सकता है. Otherwise it is not possible. So who will give you this practical exposure? I'll give you this practical exposure. I have a video regarding the time that you need to devote for your preparation. Number of hours per day you need to devote for your preparation. You can watch that to get a clear idea. Okay? So these are the 3 top mistakes that students do that make them fail in CSIR NET examination. So do not fall into the trap of doing the same mistake again and again and expecting a different outcome of qualifying the exam. And if you want this motivation, this guidance from me, you need to join our online coaching. And the coaching registration is going on. The details are there in the website. The link is in the description. You can see this number. You can WhatsApp this number, call this number, get the details. Okay? So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.